Hari Om. Am I coming through okay? Yeah. I'm honored by this opportunity to give a message to the graduating students. Let me just start by saying it's not a very long speech, it's printed in big font. Yeah, so don't worry. I'll start with remembering the Gurus. Sadasiva Samarambham Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. Hari Om. Salutations to Jagat Guru and Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Greetings to the Chinmaya Haridwar families. Namaskarams to the community of teachers. Congratulations to the graduating students on reaching this milestone. Hearty congratulations to the parents, families, and the friends of graduates. Dear graduates, today we are here to show our love of your success. Our love of just seeing you beaming with joy. You are the pride of this community. I know some of your teachers are holding back tears of joy. Believe me, I speak from experience. In this temple of love, in this garden of Krishna, your parents and teachers are like happy bees. Happy bees drunk with the nectar of love. Every Sunday, they buzz around Haridwar. They're busy bees indeed, cleaning, cooking, teaching, serving, singing, decorating, and praying. It is easy to miss the deeper meaning of their actions. Their actions are a sacred duty, a duty that has been carried out for thousands of years. At some point in your teachers' and parents' life, a guru, or perhaps a parent, lit the light of knowledge and love in their hearts. Since then, they have had one single goal. Their goal is to pass this light to you, to fill your hearts with the light of knowledge and love. Today, I can see that they succeeded in their mission. Years of your efforts and their love have borne fruit. Today, I saw 8 yuvas and 1 yuvati shining brightly with this light of knowledge. This light teaches you that we are all one. This light gives rise to the love of all. This light tells you that no matter where you are and what you're doing, the divine is always with you. In fact, this light is the divine in you. This light within us is all-inclusive and compassionate. At many points in human history, we were surrounded by dark clouds of fear and uncertainty, dark clouds of division and destruction. Recent events, no doubt, make many of us feel that way. I'm here to tell you, today, I don't feel any darkness. Today, I am not afraid because I know the light is lit. You are now the torchbearers of this knowledge. With your light of love, you can heal the needless divisions that separate the children of God from each other. You have the strength to stand up for what is right, to protect the weak, and even to forgive the aggressor. Today is a day of hope. You give us hope in the future of this world. Since you know we are all one, you can heal the planet and do it in an equitable way. Wherever you go and whatever you do, spread this light of knowledge. You can drive the darkness away and bring peace to the world. Inevitably, you will face obstacles and challenges in life. Always remember, there is no challenge that is insurmountable. Turn to the light in your heart. Remember that the divine is always with you. What can stop you when God is with you? You are truly the sons and daughters of the divine. And finally, one day it'll come to you. One day, you will know that it's your turn to pass the light to the next generation. On that day, become a happy bee. Find a garden of love and get busy. Start buzzing, cleaning, serving, teaching, and praying. Of course, you can always come back to this garden. These old bees will still be here. May the grace of the Lord and our gurus be always with you. Hari Om.